Want AI to see things from every angle? Multi-perspective prompting unlocks diverse viewpoints. Join me on PromptYES to master this skill. Here at PromptYES, we're all about empowering you with innovative AI techniques. Get ready to transform how you interact with AI. Let's dive into this exciting method together. What is multi-perspective prompting? Multi-perspective prompting asks the AI to think from different roles. It brings together insights like an expert, beginner, and critic. This creates a single, enriched response full of variety. It's a powerful way to deepen your AI interactions. This method lets you see a topic through multiple lenses. You'll uncover insights you might otherwise miss. Why use this technique? It provides balanced, well-rounded answers. This ensures no single viewpoint dominates. It helps explore ideas from all sides. You can challenge assumptions with this approach. It's essential for creative or analytical depth. This makes it a go-to for complex problem solving. How to use multi-perspective prompting. Step 1. Define the topic or question. This sets the foundation for the AI's analysis. Example: analyze the impact of AI on jobs. Step 2. Specify the perspectives. This directs the AI to adopt different roles. Add, from an expert, beginner, and skeptic view. Step 3. Request a structured output. This organizes the diverse insights clearly. Like, separate each perspective in paragraphs. Step 4. Synthesize if needed. This ties the viewpoints together. Follow with, summarize the combined insights. Where to use multi-perspective prompting. With applied examples, this technique excels in diverse applications. It's perfect for scenarios needing varied insights. Use it for education to teach critical thinking. This helps students see all sides of an issue. Example: explain climate change from a scientist, student, and policymaker view. You'll get a comprehensive lesson with detailed angles. It includes data, personal reflections, and policy impacts. Apply it for business to evaluate strategies. This offers a holistic view of your plans. Example: review a product launch from CEO, customer, and competitor views. The AI offers a strategic overview with unique perspectives. It highlights leadership goals, user feedback, and rival moves. Use it for creative writing to enrich stories. This adds depth to your characters and plots. Example: describe a hero from hero, villain, and ally perspectives. You'll get a multi-dimensional narrative with emotional layers. It brings out heroism, rivalry, and loyalty in detail. Real-world examples in action, advanced usage. Let's dive into advanced uses of this technique. These show its power in complex situations. Example 1. Planning a tech conference with multiple stakeholders. This requires balancing diverse needs. Start with, plan a tech conference agenda. Refine with, include speaker, attendee, and sponsor perspectives. This adds depth with session ideas and funding views. Follow up. Add a timeline for each perspective. You get a balanced, detailed plan with schedules. It includes speaker prep, attendee breaks, and sponsor slots. Example 2. Designing a user interface for broad appeal. This needs input from different roles. Start with, design a mobile app UI. Refine with, from designer, user, and developer views. This covers aesthetics, usability, and coding feasibility. Then, suggest improvements for each. The result is a well-rounded design brief. It offers color scheme tweaks, button size adjustments, and code optimizations. Benefits of multi-perspective prompting: it delivers richer, more nuanced responses. This adds layers of understanding to every answer. Multiple views enhance decision-making. You get a fuller picture to base choices on. It sparks creativity with diverse insights. This opens new ideas you might not consider alone. It's adaptable for learning or innovation. This makes it a versatile tool for all. Tips for advanced usage: start with 2-3 clear perspectives. This keeps the process manageable. Label each view explicitly, like expert. This avoids confusion in the output. Combine with follow-ups for deeper analysis. This refines the perspectives further. Example. Expand the skeptic view. This adds critical depth to the response. Common mistakes to avoid: don't mix perspectives without labels. This creates a muddled response. Avoid too many views, keep it manageable. Too many can overwhelm the AI. Don't skip synthesis, tie it together. This ensures a cohesive conclusion. Ensure each view is distinct. This maintains the value of each angle. Conclusion: multi-perspective prompting is your tool for richer AI insights. It's diverse, powerful, and perfect for any challenge. Try it today and elevate your PromptYES game. PromptYES is here to guide your AI journey. Subscribe for more AI tricks. Hit like if you enjoyed this. Share your favorite perspective below.